Hey guys, so I'm back outside in my happy place cooking over the fire, and today I'll be making bacon wrapped chicken skewers with an Asian style basting sauce. Now for this recipe, I'll be using chicken fillets which I've cut into large chunks. Now remember not to cut them too small as they do tend to shrink once on the fire. For the Asian style basting sauce, simply mix together olive oil, soya sauce, sriracha and mustard. Then add in garlic, ground ginger, paprika, brown sugar and fresh coriander. Once the chicken is evenly coated, add a squeeze of lime juice for that acidity. I have not seasoned my chicken with salt and pepper simply because the soy sauce is salty enough. Now cooking chicken fillets on the braai can be quite daunting simply because they do tend to dry out quite quickly. So by wrapping them in bacon, it not only imparts flavor but also helps to keep the chicken moist. Now I've cut my red onions into thick rounds about the same width as your chicken chunks so that they cook evenly on the braai. Once you've threaded your chicken and your red onion onto skewers, sprinkle with sesame seeds. It adds a lovely crunch. That excess marinade becomes your basting sauce while cooking your skewers on the braai. Cook these skewers over medium coals for about 8 to 10 minutes until beautifully golden while basting with a delicious Asian sauce. That smells so delicious. As soon as the chicken is cooked, add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice and serve it with your favorite side, whether it be potato salad, a fresh green salad, or my favorite, some roasted cook and lovely softened butter. Now I can guarantee you that this will be a new favorite at the braai. Bacon wrapped chicken skewers with an Asian style basting sauce.